Hello and welcome. We are Team NeoAtlas, and this is our hosted solution for the Smart India Hackathon problem statement SIH 25026. First, let's understand the core problem we were asked to solve. Right now, India's healthcare system has two languages that don't speak to each other. Our traditional Ayush practitioners use the Namaste system to record diagnosis using terms like Jwara. But our modern hospitals and insurance companies use the WHO Global ICD-11 standard using terms like fever. Because these systems are disconnected, it's difficult to process Ayush insurance claims, analyze national health data, or create a single interoperable health record for a patient. The problem statement asks us to build the bridge and API to connect them. Our solution is IUConnect. IUConnect is a secure, lightweight microservice that acts as a universal translator for Indian healthcare. It directly solves the problem statement by providing an API for dual coding. It intelligently maps traditional Namaste codes to their corresponding ICD-11 codes. And critically, it builds to be fully FHIR R4 compliant. FHIR is the mandatory national standard for all electronic health records. This means IUConnect is a plug-and-play solution for any modern hospital EMR system. But we didn't just build an API. We built a complete user-friendly platform around it. Let me show you our live demo. A doctor shouldn't have to memorize thousands of codes. With our real-time lookup, they can just type the traditional term they know. Watch as I type Jwara. When I select it, the API instantly provides the definition and, most importantly, the suggested mapping to the correct ICD-11 code. This makes the dual coding process fast, easy, and accurate for the clinician. Now, let's look at the feature for hospital IT teams and EMR vendors. This page demonstrates how a hospital software would talk to our API. On the left, we have an input for a FHIR bundle, which is just a standard format for a patient's file. I am going to paste in sample patient record that only contains the traditional Namaste diagnosis for Jwara. As I click load sample button, it gets loaded. Now I'll click process. And it's done. Look at the processing pipeline on the right. First, our API ran an authentication setup, securely validating the request using ABHA OAuth 2.0. Second, it validated the FHIR bundle to ensure it meets national standards. Third, the magic step, terminology processing. Our API automatically detected the Namaste code and seamlessly inserted its matching ICD-11 code. Finally, the new dually coded record is stored. The validation results show it was a success. We have created one new mapping in the patient's record. This entire system is strengthened by additional features like a full audit trail for compliance and a real-time sync with the WHO API, which means our system will never be out of date. It's secure, compliant, and future-proof. The impact of IUConnect is felt across the entire system. For Ayush clinicians, we give them a seamlessly autocomplete workflow. For EMR vendors and hospitals, we give them a simple plug-and-play microservice that reduces their compliance burden. For the Ministry of Ayush and AIIA, we unlock real-time morbidity analytics across all Ayush systems for the first time. And for patients, they get truly interoperable health records and, crucially, the ability to have their Ayush treatments covered by insurance. By digitizing and preserving our traditional medicine while connecting it to global standards, IUConnect is a critical step forward for a truly unified digital India. We are Team NeoAtlas. Thank you for watching.